country to the Benjamin Moore, get a fresh coat of paint to put on the dance floor. My cute little baby, tattooed arm in the sun, smiling at sunrise after a night of good fun at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Love drinking moonshine, a Woodford Reserve, maybe some 151 if you all have the nerve. Bring your smile, leave your hat at our country saloon. We start drinking at sunset and howling at the moon at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. The party is jumping, the whole room is bumping. The band's really cooking, playing golf books or something. Little old mama gives guitarist a kiss.
Hey man, you alright?
No, man, all I could taste is the Schlitz. The Schlitz.
Now all he tastes is her Schlitz on his lips. Come on, Mick. Driving through the country to the next liquor store. Gotta stock up the bar so we can do it once more at the gin joint on the edge. At our gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Party never stops. Party on, Donnie. Party on, me.
Gotta start heading toward the door. Let's go, 10 minutes ago. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
I have a couple cool things going on right now that are all tied up because of faulty parts and parts shippings delays and whatnot, and this is one of them. This is an electric Pipa. This is my fourth electric Pipa, but it is very different than all the other ones. We're doing a lot more of a nod to the traditional instrument with this one, and I'm waiting on a part. I can't finish it, so I've got it more done than I just left it here in this video, but I thought this was a good place to stop, and then once the final part comes in I can show you the final assembly and all the really cool things about this instrument. Of course I can't play it well, but you'll get the idea. And then I have this other project that's going on that's like the parts are delayed, and then this other project that's going on where we had to order a new one. So sorry that my schedule got a little messed up, but stay tuned because when all this stuff comes out I think you're going to really enjoy it. Alright, thanks a lot and be good.